Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Channa Reddy, Professor and Head of Department of Anatomy in KMC Medical College and Hospital, Maharajganj, UP, Uttar Pradesh. And things are going on good. Now it's exam season. We're very busy with exams. As you can see, my answer script, which has to be evaluated. That's it. And all whatever we need in our department, we all have it. We have everything we need. So one of the very good college. It's just coming up college. It's in an infant stage. Under the guidance of our Honorable Dean Dr. Sankalp Dwivedi, we are working with. And I know him personally. He's one of the fantastic dean. We worked together in a previous college. And here I live within the campus in the staff quarters provided by the institute. Things are good at staff quarters. All well, I have no issue, no problem at all about it. That's all about it from my department. Thank you. Have a good day.